All right, we're going to go over some tips on how to create some of these construction boxes and blocks and show you a few different tools for this. And so first one I'm going to create is this kind of semicircle block. So the first thing I'm going to do is measure the diameter of that. And so when I do that, I'm going to get, looks like it has a diameter of 35 millimeters. So I'm going to come in here to my Fusion 360 sketch area, and I'm going to make a circle. I'm going to go ahead and dimension that circle at 35 millimeters. Then I'm going to create a line that goes through the center of that circle. When I do that, I'm going to get these little scissors to the trim tool and trim off the bottom part of that circle. And what that's going to do is it's going to allow me to trim off the part of the circle that I don't need anymore. Um, and it's going to allow me to extrude that. And so again, if I look at my object, it looks like it has a depth of 30 millimeters. So I'll go ahead and put that in for my extrusion. And so the snip tool, the trim tool is going to be a useful tool for you. The next block we'll look at is this one here, the little triangle block. And so again, I'm going to go ahead and create a sketch. I'm going to come down here a little bit further and I'm going to go ahead and start creating that sketch. It looks like this block has a width of 40 millimeters. So I'm going to click and make a line. I'll then dimension it. It's 40 millimeters. And the next thing I'm going to dimension is how tall it is. So it looks like it's 20 millimeters tall. In this case, I'm going to use the point tool. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to find the midpoint of that line. And I know it's at the midpoint because I see the triangle. And I'm going to just kind of hover up and click to place that point. I then can put a dimension in for the height of that point. Let me make sure I get the right tool, the dimension tool. Click to do that. Make it 20 millimeters high. I can then add the other lines of that, and I can then extrude it. It looks like it is going to be 30 millimeters deep. And so again, I'll click the extrude button, put in that I want to extrude 30 millimeters, and you can see that we've created those blocks. And so those are some tips on how you can create some of those blocks.